Hello everybody and welcome back. We're looking at question number 7 on the 2010 Manitoba Math Contest. 5 distinct integers are added in pairs, giving the 10 sums 7, 11, 12, 13, 14, 18, 21, 22, 26, and 28. Find the numbers, justifying your answer with a series of deductions, clearly demonstrating that there is no other possibility. Okay. So, we know that they're distinct. Let's put an order on these numbers. So let A be less than B, less than C, less than D, less than E. Okay. So, A plus B, A plus C, A plus D, A plus E, B plus C, B plus D, B plus E, C plus D, C plus E, D plus E, are the numbers. Okay. So these are the, not are the numbers, I should say they are the sums. Notice A plus B is less than A plus C, is less than A plus D, is less than A plus E, is less than B plus E, is less than C plus E, is less than D plus E. But we also have A plus B less than A plus C less than B plus C. Less than B plus D, less than C plus D, less than C plus E, less than D plus E. I think we're slowly going to order the numbers here. So I can definitely say D plus E, then C plus E is the next highest. Is it though? Maybe C plus D is the... No, because that would be... Maybe I should... I'm gonna, for the sake of trying to... Because what I want to do is I want to show that, A plus B is the smallest number and things like that. Are the numbers A1 plus A2, A1 plus A3. I have to write all this out again. A3 plus A5. I'll just do the dot, dot, dot. Okay, now, AI plus AJ is less than AI plus AK if J is less than K. So, AI plus AJ is less than AK plus AL if both I and J, if I is less than K, J is less than L. So I think this will allow me to... So here's my idea. So, my I, my J. So A1 plus A1 would be the smallest thing, and then the next smallest thing would be A1 plus A2. And then, well, is A1 plus A3 smaller than A2 plus A2? I can't quite say for certain about that. But I do know that I just want to organize all these. That's all I'm trying to do here. And I think after renumbering everything, I'm no better off. In fact, I'm worse off because now I have to write subscripts, so yay. but I'm not going to rewrite everything again. Okay. A1 plus A2 is also less than A1 plus A3, which is less than A2 plus A3, which is less than... See, the problem is when I get to things like A1 plus A4, is that less than A2 plus A3? I can't say for certain. So I don't think I can organize all these. So yay, once again, back to the drawing board. I can't organize everything. There's no way for me to say whether or not something like A1 plus A4 is less than or greater than A2 plus A3. So scrap that whole idea. We're just going to let A, B, C, D, and E be in the numbers again. Because it was easier. I had no subscripts. Things were a lot more clear. Let A, B, C, D. I can still put an order on them. I just can't order all the sums yet. And they want me to do full deductions, so that's why I was trying to order all the numbers, so I could say, yes, A2 plus A4, it has to be 14. So once again, A plus B, A plus C, yada yada yada, all the way up to C plus D, C plus E, D plus E are the sums. So A plus B is the smallest sum, and D plus E is the largest. That's all I can say. Okay, I suppose I could also say C plus E is the second largest. Maybe I'll need that, who knows. But I can say adding up all the sums, we find, okay, A plus B plus A plus C plus yada 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 plus C plus D plus C plus E plus D plus E is, well, how many times is A going to appear? Okay, A either appears in a sum or it doesn't. A can be paired with B, A can be paired with C, D, or E. So we're going to get 4 A's, 4 B's, 4 C's, and 4 D's, and 4 E's. Okay, and if you want, justify this by saying, you know, A plus B, A plus X. There are 4 possible X. Okay, but I don't think we really need to justify that. But this is the same as 7 plus, and I've completely forgotten what the numbers are, 7, 11, 12. 13, 14, I think it jumped up to 16, then 18. Nope, just jumped straight up to 18. 21, I think there was 26 and 22, 26, and 28. Alright, so then that's got to be 4A plus B plus C plus D plus E. This is a nice trick when they have you add up pairs of sums or triples of sums or quadruples of sums or k-tuples of sums where each possible k-tuple is used exactly once. You know, each possible pair gives me exactly one sum. 7 plus 11 is 18 plus, this is a 12, not a 7. That screwed me up on a recent Hypatia. 18 plus 12 is 30. 57. Should get a multiple 4 at the end, by the way. 57, 67, 75, 76, 96, 116, 118, 13, 138, 158, and then that's 14, so 168, 172. Okay, so divide both sides by 4. 25 plus 18, we're going to get 4 and then 3. Okay, so that's going to be A plus B plus C plus D plus E. And now I know A plus B is the smallest and D plus E is the largest. C is A plus B plus C plus D plus E minus A plus B minus D plus E. So that's 43 minus 7 minus 28. I now know what C is. C is going to be, so this is 35, so subtract off 35, C is going to be 8. Okay, so C is 8. Hooray. We now know one of the values. So A plus B is the smallest. Then it's got to be less than A plus C, which is the next smallest. There's nothing smaller, and yeah, you could make an argument about this, but I think it's quite clear that that's the next smallest. So A plus C is going to be equal to, I think it was 11 was next. So A plus 8 is 11, A is 3, and that tells me B is 4, because A plus B is 7. Okay, now similarly, C plus D is less than C plus E is less than D plus E. So that's the next largest. So C plus E is 26. 8 plus E is 26. E is 18. And so now we can figure out D. D is going to be equal to 10. Because D plus E is 28. So A is 3, B is 4, C is 8, D is 10, and E is 18. Does this track? Well, A plus E is 21. Yeah. 22. Sure. 26, 28. Yeah, those make sense. 7, 11, 12. Yeah, these were all numbers that we used. 13, 14, 18. Yeah. So this does indeed work. I didn't need to order all the sums. I just needed to order the first few, which I kept doing. Not bad. So we got C, and then from there we worked out to the other numbers. All right. Not bad for question 7. I'm sorry I took so long at the start trying to order everything. Couldn't be done until I figured out what B, C, and D were. And at that point, it didn't matter. So, in the next video, we're going to take a look at question 8. We are down to our last 3 questions on the contest. I will see you for question 8 next time.